finishing a 4-unit bridge with our Telio Cad finishing kit. Very important to pay attention to the speeds with this one. So the first step to remove the sprue and smooth out any mill marks is going to be using the BH100B wheel at 5,000 RPM max. And this will work on any polymethyl methacrylate material. This will also act as a pre-polisher if you go around the entire bridge. And this will also work on the abutment blocks too. Alright. Next step is going to be using a medium bristle chamois center brush and the intraoral DiaShine. Again, slow speeds, 5,000 RPM max. Looking right at about that much. I'll start rotating the bristle brush and just get some of the polish in there. Use a very small amount. Start off slow. Get the polish onto the restoration. And you can speed up. Keep the brush in contact, moving it back and forth. Light contact pressure. Now you'll notice there's a lot of paste left in the anatomy, and if that's the case, use the OCCLUSO brush, slow it down to 3,000 RPM. Slow speeds, very slow speeds, and just pick it out, up and down. You can also spray it out, but I wouldn't steam it, because that might damage the restoration. And the final step is use a cotton buff, dry, with no paste, between 5 and 10,000 RPM.